Good morning and salutations, y'all. Today we got a Zildjian K custom dark ride 20-inch, and as you can tell about right here, we got some crack damage. Hold on. There we go. Got some crack damage right there. See about right here, about a half an inch right there. So the way we're gonna fix that, we're gonna wave it out as we always do. But before we do, let's give a little sound test. Alright, let's fix this baby up. Alright, y'all, we're back with the Zildjian K Custom Dark Ride 20-inch. And as you can tell right here, we fixed the crack area damage. No longer in the symbol whatsoever. It's now smooth as butter. So, let's give a little sound test.